How to fix app not installed, app not compatible with your phone. Error. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the app not compatible error on your Android phone. So if you're trying to install an app and it won't let you, just follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now scroll down and tap on Apps, then Manage App. At the top, you'll see a little search icon. Tap that and search for Google Chrome. Once it shows up, open it. Now tap on Force Stop to restart the app in the background. Then go to Storage. Here, clear both the cache and data. Just tap Clear Cache and confirm. Then tap Clear Data and confirm. This will reset Chrome's stored files. Next, go back and tap on Permissions. Make sure all permissions for Chrome are allowed. Now let's check the Google Play Store. Open it and tap on Profile icon at the top right corner. Next, go to Settings and tap About to see if your Play Store is up to date. If you see an update option, install it. Keeping the Play Store updated is important to fix compatibility issues. Once that's done, try installing the app again. The error should be gone, and that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step fixes.